Would you like to say hello to the camera?
Hi guys.
Yes.
How are you doing today? It's a better day.
Yeah. Wait,
We
bitter?
had a rough day yesterday, but today's a better day. Here.
Yeah, today's a better day.
Don't spill it.
Yo, yesterday was so crazy. Oh my god, your purse is so heavy with one hand. Yeah. So yeah, yesterday was a little bit crazy, but now it's fun. Where's Negly? Oh no, put Negly back here. Here, hand me Negly, because then if we keep her back there, she's going to do something while you're driving, I swear. Mom, Negly's right there. Come on, Negly. That's better. Come on, come to me. Come on, Negly. Come on, Negly. Come on. Come on. Negly. Come on. Come on. That's a good girl. Come on, that's right. Come over here. Stop coming to mommy all the time. Come to me. Come on. You want to do something to us while we're driving, I swear. Yeah. Today's nice. We're outside. Oh my gosh.
Shh. Quiet. Shut up.
Oh my god! She's pissed off totally.
Quiet down. Shut up. Hush. Hush. You're a rough girl. You know that?
Yeah.
Come here. You're a rough girl. You're being rough. Come on. Stop. You can't behave like that over here. What's your problem?
Yeah.
Shut up.
What you mean? You did the man. What you the man? What you man? We're gonna be barking when Jose here. Oh, someone's talking to Jose. Look, what's going on? What's going on? I am so bored of her, but it's so fun. Back in front of the camera, Negly. Was she happy? Daddy, daddy. Dang, you said move, she moves to the other seat. Alright. We're going to end the video here. I'm sorry it's short, but yeah, bye.